So this is my bathroom. Nice big bathroom, big bathtub. You got a closet right here with a safe. You got another closet right here, extra pillow, ironing board, hangers, iron. You have a big full body mirror right here. That's me. Got a luggage stand like that, luggage rack, whatever you want to call it. Over here you got a nightstand, nice bed, another nightstand lamp, pictures on the wall, connecting room, little dinner table. Sitting area where you can look out at the pool. Got your TV. And I got an ocean view grand plus room. I thought I was gonna get a balcony, but I did not get a balcony. But I'm happy either way. I got a pool view and I got a view of this beautiful ocean to wake up to every morning. So that's all I needed. Very spacious. I forgot to show the mini bar that was in here, but the beer, the sodas, and everything in there is free. Came included with the room.